Yo, what's up, guys? We are trading CAD NFP today. Question of the day, is the market at the bottom? Right now, I'm going to show you what I do trading live, and we're going to see if we can make some pips. So let's get straight into it. We actually don't got a lot of time to waste. So this is my trade right now. There is 3 different pairs I can really trade here, and we got CAD NFP. This pair can actually rocket right now. So right now, I want to see what the best trade is to, what the best pair is to trade. As you can see right now, this pair right here is Euro CAD. I don't think I will be trading Euro CAD, of course. A bit too much volatility for me in a sense. Actually, not even that much volatility. Look at this. Let's look at this range here. And really 450 to the downside. We got UCAD here. UCAD actually looks pretty clear on this trade, to be honest. EuroCAD here, we got resistance, a lot of resistance up here, a lot of rejection down here. And we have how much sides to the 450 to the downside. The unfortunate part is today we have unemployment claims today, so I don't want to be trading USD CAD at the same time when they have 2 different news announcements. Unless both those news announcements are facing the same way. That's the only good reason to trade them, but the most likely scenarios there will be conflicting. We got CAD JPY. So we are going to trade around 5% today, 5% on 150 pips, 0.32, 0.32. Let's go 5 times, 0.19 5 times. That's going to be our risk allocation. And I think CAD JAP is the way to go here, clearly. You know, it's right in the 4-hour zone. It hit there. It's retracing up. It has around 300 pips to the upside. And so right now it came up it here, it fell down here. Now it has a strong push. As you can see, there's a strong rejection from the zone. This nice little minute 30 here. It rejected before from the zone. So this is support zone. Has been pretty relatively strong in the past. Of course, there's some sort of consolidation in that area. People don't know what they really want to do. But we're looking for, it's looking like buys on CAD JPY. Why can't I say that word? It's looking like buys. So realistically, there's 2 levels. There's here and here. And we're going to take a trade a minute before. So the question of the day is, has the stock market hit the bottom yet? That is a very good question. Of course, if you've been looking at news so far and you've just been looking at the chart, look at how the market went down all the way here. This is around negative 35%. And it started slowly shooting up to around 2773. This is like crazy bullish momentum the market's been having. The market's only down 20% from its original highs. And right now we're asking, is there really any fundamental reasons why, the market's no longer at a market bottom? And I think the biggest thing is the fact that the quarantine is over in certain parts. Spain is trying to come out of it early. Wuhan is trying to come out of it early. There's been different places that have gotten containment and had, the stopping the spread of the COVID virus. So there is good reasons to think that it may be over. But what does over really mean? Like, that's why the market hasn't fully recovered, because, will these businesses, will they actually fully recover? Will these businesses go out of business because they can't make their interest payments? A lot of different small, unique businesses probably do have to go out of business. And that is definitely unfortunate. Okay, so we are going to get some trades in here. So we got 1 trade there, 2 trade there, 3 trade there. And again, we are trading the CAD NFP. Let's just put that there for fun. We're going to wait for a minute after. Where is the CAD JDP pair? We got 30 seconds till the trade. So we got around 18 pips. Not that bad, actually. So we're expecting down on this one, up on this one, of course. All right, let's see what happens here. Got some bullish momentum, not a lot though. Barely a push. We got barely a push. Look at this whipsaw. That's just total confusion in the market. Let's see what this one did here. Whoa, look at that. EuroCAD whipsaws one direction and then goes the next. So right now the pair is gonna have to choose a direction. Complete indecision in the market right now. If we go and we look at exactly what did employment rate say, what did employment change say? Let's see here. So worse than, worse than forecasted essentially. That means it should technically go against the CAD. But as you can see, we're going profits. And let's let this one run. So, I mean, this is one of those trades where, like, if you tried to guess the fundamental news that CAD was going to be bad, you would have got crushed, because CAD being bad means that, this shoots all the way down to, like, here, you know what I mean? But if you were to follow it on a technical aspect of, oh, it's at support, so you buy, then of course, then you could actually reap the rewards, reap the benefits of the trade. So, I mean, I'm just going to let most of it run, to be honest. But I'm going to take a little profit here. And then see if we get to see if it ends up filling this range here. It's this little high right there on the hour. And yeah, that was a decent trade. Of course, I got crushed earlier. I was trading GJ and got destroyed in the volatility. I wanted buys on GJ. Oh, look at GJ reacting positively to the market. I wanted buys on GJ, but GJ did not want to do that for me because it hates me. So it ended up dipping below this point. And I got crushed out of the market, but we've made some of those profits back, so not the worst. And yeah, so back to what I was saying before, has the market really hit a bottom? Looking. Oh wow, this reacted to the news too. Let's see what the unemployment claims report said. So unemployment claims is around what they actually forecast. Oh, wait, hold up. Let's see here. So this is basically around what they forecasted, right? They forecasted out 5 million. It was around 6 million. So people already have this priced in. Right now, it's 16 million in total is the unemployment claims. But remember, unemployment claims numbers aren't that bad. It's the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. And it's not that bad because we know that people are temporarily going to be out of work. This is something that's already priced in the market pretty heavily. Look at 220, take my profit there. This is something that's priced in the market pretty heavily when you think about it, right? Like we already know people are going to be unemployed. And this is the first time that realistically people who are sole proprietors can actually file for unemployment, you know? It hasn't been that case before ever, so. Anyways, I think that's good enough for the trade today. Thanks for rocking with me. Tomorrow, we are actually going to trade. Let's look right here. We're actually going to trade. Unless they canceled it. Wouldn't that be tragic? Oh, I can't even find it anymore. Oh no, this is Thursday. So tomorrow we're gonna trade the USD CPI, see if we can get some, pips out of that one. The Canadian has a bank holiday, but the US does not, because US, they want to work their people to death, and that should be fun. So I will see you guys next week, and hopefully we can get some more pips out of this market. See you guys later.